Sorry.
And with that, let's get a check on the weather with Georgina Burnett.
Hello there. Well, some have been enjoying the fine weather today. Lots of blue sky on offer, being snapped by our weather watchers. This was taken in Bromley by Dolly, and even more blue sky over in Chipstead, taken by Anne Dixon. So thank you very much to all our weather watchers for snapping your pictures where you are. Now, as we head into tomorrow, well, really all I need to say is that it's hot and sunny. It's not often I get to say that, but do watch out, because we also have very high pollen count and also high UV levels. Now, I think most of us are really interested in the temperatures for the week ahead. So let's just take a look. For tomorrow, we're getting up to about 28 degrees Celsius. Wednesday up into the 30s, just gradually creeping upwards until Friday, when we get to 32 degrees Celsius, and very settled for much of the week as well, but it does start to break down a little as we head into the weekend. But for tonight, well, we have a very fine evening ahead, mainly clear skies, and that continues into the night as well. So we can expect some rather mild nights to come, perhaps a little on the uncomfortable side for some, in fact. For tonight, we're looking like, well, for many of us, it's not going to get down to the single figures, apart from the outskirts, particularly the further southeast you are. For tomorrow, though, lots of sunshine around. I'd say wall-to-wall sunshine, but maybe that we have a little bit of cloud bubbling up here and there. And tomorrow, well, we're up to about 28 degrees Celsius, but really at this time of year, we'd expect to be closer to the low 20s. So it is hot for the time of year, even though we're in June, and very light winds as well. Now, as I mentioned, we will have a very high pollen count, but also high UV levels. So you do need to take care and prepare for that. Now, as we head through the week, well, we're continuing with that hot and sunny weather. Not really any wet weather to come until perhaps getting into the weekend and maybe into next week. But temperature-wise, up to the 30s for much of the week.